Hi everyone, muchachos, muchachas, chicas, chicos, amigos, mis amigos. Welcome to today's customized close-up. My name is Leah. Today we're gonna be diving into this winter Editor's Box's customized products. So if you're a new member, you can choose some of these. In case you didn't know, the Editor's Box is a great introduction to FabFitFun because it includes some of our products that are most loved by our members and our editors. So if you're looking for a taste of FabFitFun, you definitely want to sign up. I mean, don't miss out on this. This is a great intro. It's like tasting a little bit of the chocolate without committing to the flavor because like you bite into it, you don't want it, you're gonna want this. And this Editor's Box contains more choices than any past Editor's Box has had. So you definitely want to get a slice of this. Now, before we get into these products, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's channel so that you never miss out on any spoilers, because that would, you know, wait. Now let's get started. So lucky for you, this is a category that all FabFitFun members can choose from. First, we're gonna start out with this Summer and Rose Faux Snakeskin tote bag. I'm obsessed with it. Girl, you're gonna look like a Pinterest ad just walking around. I mean, not that we need more ads, but I'm gonna be one. And the best part is how roomy it is, and there's also a smaller bag inside that allows you to put, you know, cell phone, iPad maybe, or a turtle, something like that. Something smaller. And then in this big bag, you know, all your other things. Your actual laptop if you want. You could bring this to work. It could be your work bag. And the best purpose, if you're trying to escape from a date, this is the perfect bag. Just, hi, oh my gosh, my friend just texted me actually. An emergency. I gotta go, like, text me later. Just out and throw this over your shoulder. He thinks you look stylish. He's like, gonna text you anyway. So you'll have time to think if you wanna go on another date. But 2020, let's elevate our game and our bag game. Come on, Summer and Rose, Faux Snakeskin bag. Next up, I'm so excited because who doesn't love a candle during any season, but especially winter when you wanna be cozy in your bed and reading at night? We have the Jonathan Adler ceramic candle. Smells so good, it's so fresh scented. I've actually been burning this next to my bed every night for about a month because it's a 50-hour burn time, which is insane. And the best part is once it's done, this is so chic, but the candle can be used to store other things. So if you wanna pot this and put a flower in it or regift it to your mom afterwards and tell her that you bought this, you know, I'm all about regifting. So I've been attending these new healing circles. They are for manifesting your best life and, you know, $1 million or the love of your life or eating less chocolate. But the best thing to have at a healing circle are candles. Set the mood right. Get your intention right. Thank you, Jonathan Adler. Appreciate you. I don't want to, oh my gosh, if I drop this, if you go to any other customized close-up, oh my God, it's a shake. Ah! Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver, and the other is gold, or a 111 Skin Radiance Boosting Gold Liquid, which is amazing. But really though, gold for your face, no brainer, hello. It's so good. Prime your skin, your nose, your cheeks, your forehead, your chin, right above your lip. And, you know, glisten, girl. If you got gold on your face, a form of gold, you're gonna be styling. Like, you know, a werewolf or a vampire in Twilight, which yes, I did watch the E! News 3-hour marathon last weekend. And yeah, they glistened, which is exactly why I want this. I'm Team Edward. If you're not Team Edward, we weren't friends in high school or college or adulthood because, just kidding, I'm friends with everyone. At least my hand looks like I'm a vampire. Who's ready for Christmas? I am. Next up, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I don't know too much about goat milk, but I'll tell you, I'm a fiend with goat cheese and that stuff is good, so this is giving me a good feeling about this already. I hope you know, but if you don't, Kate Somerville is an incredible brand, so the fact that you're getting it in the Editor's Box, and it smells like clean, like there's no scent actually to it, which is nice in skincare, I think at least. And it helps to repair the skin's lipid barrier. It's lightweight, which I love, and it's very soft to the touch and feels moisturized already, I'll tell you that. From my words to your, from my lips to your eyes, I'm telling you, this is very hydrating. And again, the goat milk is super, super gentle. I wanna be putting good things on my face, treat my mind, body, spirit like the temple it is, girl. Wow, we are getting through a lot of products. I'm so happy because I love things. And this is one of the things that I'm gonna love. It's our Rachel Pally checkered scarf. It's lightweight, so you can see it's a little bit see-through, but it really is just so cute. You can dress it up, dress it down, go to a coffee shop. So last but certainly not least, for those of you who are my Venice babes, you know, you can be both because this is more for my, in my mind, my city chic girls. This multi-use blanket scarf is beautiful and it's perfect for a sassier night out. You are just good to go and ready to bedazzle any man that comes your way. He better treat you like the queen you are, especially if you're wearing this scarf. I really want to harp on the fact that it is no longer Netflix and chill season. It is Disney Plus, no thrust, girlfriend. So join me and my two boyfriends, Ben and Jerry, on the couch. You know what? No shame in my game, girl. Get your scarf pronto. You don't want to not be joining in on this with me. You want this. Sadly, that is the end of our choices for this customized category. Please comment below, let me know what you're choosing. If you wanna be best friends, you wanna grab a coffee, I'll be browsing through the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and remember, like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. And make sure that you sign up at FabFitFun.com today to get your editor's box. You won't regret it, and you'll want to get it so that we can talk about it in the comments. I'll be there. So until next time, have a great new year, and ciao!